World's Best Cocktails in September 2020, brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Hello, cocktail-loving people. We're here again with the 10 of the world's best cocktails in September you can recreate at home. Check the link given in the description box below for the recipes and the full review. 1. Flowers. This is a highball cocktail made with Monchino Vermouth Bianco Ambrato and other liqueurs. 2. Red Teenie. The red Teenie can be any martini pictured in a playful manner known to be the strength of Patrick. 3. Strawberry Watermelon Gin Cooler. This lovely cocktail made with Bimini gin and fruits for that last summer hurrah, garnished with some edible leaves and flowers. 4. Gin and Mango Mint Cocktail. Make use of mango while it's still available and treat yourself with this mojito riff. 5. Strawberry Grapefruit Summer Sipper. Spike your juice with vodka and serve it as a cool cocktail. 6. Cocoberry Refresher. This is a coconut liqueur flavored with spices and other natural flavors and your favorite Malibu rum. 7. Walking on a Dream. This cocktail is made with butterfly tea infusion, which is known to lend a magical feel as it changes color right before your eyes. 8. RoseRhubarb Spritz. We dub this one with a heart for culture and health since it uses ingredients known to support the cultural heritage and good health. 9. Aperol Sour. If you want to stay with the tried and tested cocktails, you can take this Aperol Sour. 10. Complementary GNT. Keep it simple at the same time, go for fancy with this blue GNT. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.